I'm Gloria Carper of Island Grove Shave Ice. Our story goes like this. My parents owned a corner grocery store in Honolulu, and they had a shave ice machine, and we sold shave ice in our store. We're in Temecula, and we don't have a storefront, but we do events and parties and things like that. PIFA, we've been there, I think, for the last 7 years. Well, usually we go through about 1,000 pounds of ice for 25 to 3,000 shave ice in a weekend. Probably the most popular flavor with the island people are strawberry. And then, of course, the tropical flavors like mango and passion fruit, pina colada. Our machines were brought in from Hawaii. We bought them from a company there in Honolulu, and they're very great machines because they use the block style ice, not the crushed ice as we usually see here in the mainland. So you have the nice fluffy ice that people really like. And our flavors are homemade. So we make our own syrups from a recipe that was handed down from my parents, and they received the recipe when they bought their first shave ice machine from a Japanese couple in Honolulu.
It's fantastic.
Now we're famous!